Okay, so let's create organizational units in lab 4.45. Okay, so let's get to it. The instructions are that you're the IT administrator for a small corporate network. So you just install this Active Directory on a Hyper-V guest server named CorpDC, and you need to create an Active Directory organization unit structure based on the company's departmental structure. So in this lab, your task is to create the following organization units on the CorpDC server and ensure that each is protected from accidental division as follows. Sorry, so let's maximize this for better viewership. And I want us to go to CorpServer, then go to CorpDC. And so once you get that virtual machine, I want us to go to Tools and then go to the Active Directory users and computers. So maximize that for better viewership, and then on the local network, right click and then write new, then say organizational unit. Then you need to type in accounting. So make sure that it's protected from accidental deletion as follows. Okay, then we are going to do the same for admins. Organization unit named admin. Then make sure it's protected from the accidental deletion. Do the same for marketing. So it's a new organization unit named marketing. Sorry. Make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Okay. Then make a new organization unit named research dev. Okay, make sure it's protected. Then let's make a new one. Named servers. Make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Okay, then make a new one. Named this one will name it Workstation. Yes, please. Okay, good guy. Workstations. Okay, so we have problem here. So we are creating a new organizational unit named Workstation. Workstation. We are making sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then we are naming the final one named sales. Yeah. So we're going to organization units and naming it sales. So we're making sure that it's protected from accidental deletion. Then within the sales organization unit, you're going to create the following organization units. So within sales, you're going to create new organizational unit named SalesManager, SalesManagers, and then you're going to create another one named TempSales, and you're going to make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Great, we are so done. We were working on lab 4.43 where we were creating organizational units. And then here we go. Now what's the problem? We were to create admins. you have to create support. We didn't create admin support. We didn't prevent division from admin support and workstation. So what we did, okay, so we can do this again. So we had an error where we didn't that, so we're going to CORPSERVER like we did before. Then this we did this a bit faster because now we know what we are doing. Then we're going to choose what name, then go to CorpNet, then create a new organizational unit. Then we name them accounting. Then protect container from accidental deletion. That's true. Then we're going to create another one called admin, and they're protected from accidental deletion. Then we're going to create, yes please. Here's and then you're going to create a new one called marketing, and then make sure that it's protected from accidental deletion. Then we're going to create another one called search dev. Then make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then it is checked. Okay, then we're going to create another one named servers. Making sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then we're going to make another one named support. Yeah. Now make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then another one named Workstations. Then make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then we're going to name another one named Sales, and make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. So let's go through. We have to check. We have created one for accounting, one for admin. So it is admin, not admin. Okay. Go to TikTok. Then also we add a type over here. It was to be admins but not admin. So we can actually create another one and name it admin. Yes. Then make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. Then we have one for marketing. Yes, we have one for marketing. We have one for research dev. Yes, we do. We have one for servers. We have one for support. We have one for workstations, and we have one for sales. So under sales, baby shark. Okay, so baby shark, baby shark, baby shark. Then we are going to create OUS under sales. So under sales, we want us to create a new organizational unit, and in this case we are doing sales SalesManagers, and protect it from accidental deletion. Then you're going to create another one, termed TempSales. Yep, there we go. And make sure it's protected from accidental deletion. I think we are so done. With that, we need to get 100%. It's really, thank you. So that's that. You might have heard my baby girl speaking in the background, but that's the beauty of a working mother. So remember to subscribe, like, and comment.